I'm going to show you how I adapted front and rear ribbed aluminum bumpers to fit my '71 Super Beetle. The first picture will just show you the OEM bumper brackets on my car, which were never designed to work with my new bumpers. As you can see from the next photo, the aluminum bumper, advertised as fitting my Beetle, does not fit the adapter brackets or conform to the body of the car. However, it can be made to fit without too much work. I'm going to show you how I did that, and the same procedure will work for the rear bumper, which has the very same problem. Stay tuned, it's gonna look great. Install the adapter brackets and tape the bumper to the outside portion of the bracket. This is only temporary, so any tape will do. Pad the face of the bumper and apply a clamp to the inside portion of the adapter bracket. Remember, the bumper's aluminum and will scratch easily. I used heavy cardboard and a piece of wood to protect my bumper. With the bumper clamped tight against the bracket, you can remove the temporary tape and mark the location of the inside bracket slot. This is where we'll mount the bumper to the bracket. Remove the bumper, mark a horizontal center line long enough to encompass both bracket slots. We'll mark the second slot later. Mark the center of the inside slot and drill a pilot hole. Enlarge the pilot hole to accommodate a 5-inch stainless bolt and nut. I got mine at wholesalebolts.com. Install the bumper again with one bolt in each bracket. The bumper is looking better already. Mark the other slot, remove the bumper, and drill a bolt hole as you did for the first hole, and reinstall the bumper. Voila! You have a reformed bumper that looks like it belongs on the car.